Hello everyone! Today I want to show you a review of the dress. First I wanted to have a look at the fabric it was made of. Have a look at the table. This is a piece of cotton. It is so thin that it reminds me of cambric. The fabric is decorated with a cut-work embroidery and fish print. I think that the fabric is very beautiful. Fish prints are very stylish. This fabric is of a very good quality. Let's have a look at the dress. First I'll show it to you on the dummy, and then I'll put it on the table to show you the wrong side. There is a button stand on the front. This summer dress was made using my 10 measurement cutting system, which will be out very soon. The chest darts were turned into the princess seams. The opening of the dart in the basic pattern was accurate, so these parts fit the body perfectly. Princess seams not only look good, but also make the item fit the person perfectly. There are waist tucks on the back. We first made a mock-up and drew the back neckline on it. I've already showed you how to do it. Have a look at these shoulder straps. They are gathered with an elastic. The tailors of my fashion house cut them along the embroidery. The sleeves were just cut without edging. I think that they look absolutely amazing. A lot of people ask how to make dresses with seams on the waistline. It's very easy. Just make a bodice and a skirt separately and stitch them together with one seam on the waist. We didn't line this dress because the customer asked us not to do it. The dress was made of cotton of a very high quality. You can also make it of silk or viscose. Don't try making such dress of knitted fabric. I understand that not everyone will use such fabric. You can decorate the sleeves with very thin stripes of lace. You can also decorate neckline this way. Have a look at the placket. Notice that there are no holes on the wrong side of the placket. We made it of the fabric salvage. Have a look at the sleeves once again. Notice that these sides were edged with very thin baby hem. The elastic was edged with white cambric. Notice that even though the dress is ready, we haven't cut the elastic yet. We will do it only after the last fitting. Next, I wanted to have a look at the wrong side. Let's start with the bodice. Notice that the seams are edged with bias binding made of white cambric. This is the princess seam, and this is the side seam. Even the waist seam was edged this way. Have a look at it. Notice that the edge of the binding is hidden inside the placket. Have a look at the lower part of the placket. You may think that these are the stitches, but this is just the edge of the embroidery. The bottom of the dress is also edged this way. Just like all the other seams in the dress. It's better not to edge the wrong side of the placket, but hide a seam inside. Have a look at the right side once again. It's very important to attach many buttons. These are French buttons of a very good quality. I'm glad that I've decided to show you the review of this dress. Be different and beautiful. My name is Pakshta Irina. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, and press the like and the bell buttons. I really need your support. Thank you. Goodbye.